Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 24/7. This is the lecture 17 of SEBI Grade A 2020 special series. In our 17th lecture, we are discussing MCQs based on lean system, and this topic is very important for your upcoming examinations. Educare 24/7 has launched crash course for SEBI Grade A 2020 examination. In this crash course, we are covering whole syllabus of paper 2 and GS of paper 1. We will be providing notes, topic-wise MCQs and videos. Our content are very crisp and concise and very much relevant to your examination. There is golden opportunity for all you guys. Currently, we are running discount of ₹1000 on this course. You can use code SEBI to get this discount. So visit our website, that is educare247.com, and subscribe to this course. So let's start with the MCQs on this topic, that is lean system. Question number 1. Which of the following define lean manufacturing? Options are: option A, techniques for motivating workers to produce more. Option B, techniques used in manufacturing to reduce waste in all its forms. Option C, workers eating less during work hours. Option D, a production process which is very slow and waste time. So among all these options, the correct one is option B, that is techniques used in manufacturing. Techniques used in manufacturing to reduce waste in all its forms. So what exactly this lean system? Basically it is a manufacturing process or it is a production process. So we can also say it is a methodology that focuses on minimizing wastage within manufacturing system while simultaneously maximizing productivity. So this is a process which is adopted by all the organizations in today's scenario to focus enhancement of productivity and reducing the wastage over the manufacturing department. So this is all about the lean system. One more thing, wastage, if we talk about this wastage, it is seen as anything that customers do not believe add values and are not willing to pay for all the wastage. So basically lean system which is entirely focused on the maximizing the satisfaction of customers who always want to eliminate the wastage. So some of the benefits of this system, which can reduce the lead times, reduced operating cost, and improve the product quality. So this is a beneficial for any organization for reducing the cost. Next question number 2, which says, what are those areas in which lean manufacturing reduces wastage in 3 areas? Options are: option A, people, process and materials. Option B, people, planning and materials. Option C, process, planning and people. Option D, process, materials and waste. So correct one is people, process and materials, that is option A. So basically under this methodology, which is about continuously improving work processes, purposes and people, here this process is related with the manufacturing process purpose, which always must run by the organization according to the goal. Instead of trying to hold total control of work processes and keep the spotlight, lean management always encourages shared responsibility and shared leadership, which is very compulsory to adopt for maintaining the quality. That is why these 2 main pillars of this lean methodologies are respect for people and continuous improvement. So this is all about the lean manufacturing, which always focus on reducing wastage. Next question, what is the objective of the Toyota production system and lean manufacturing? Options are: to reduce cost. Option B, to improve profit. Option C, to eliminate everything that does not add value for the customer. Option D, to optimize capital investment. So correct one is to eliminate everything that does not add value for the customer. That is option number your C. So basically this manufacturing process, which is also known as lean production or lean, which means incline. So it is a practices that organizations from numerous field can enable. So basically this lean manufacturing process has emerged from the Toyota production system in the year of 1930. So basically this term has coined by the person, the named was John Kraftsik in 1988. From that from the period of that time, this manufacturing system has popularized across the world. So this has been adopted by various companies like Toyota, Intel, John Deere and Nike. So this is a very fruitful system for also the cost reduction in the manufacturing department. So this approach, which is also based on the TPS and is still used by the company and by other companies also, like these companies that use enterprises resource planning can also benefit from using a lean production system. Let's move to the other question, number 4. What is the purpose of eliminating waste in lean manufacturing system? Options are reducing landfill shipments. Option B, reduce production cost. Option C, reduced lead time. Option D, reduce both cost and lead time while increasing quality. So among all these options, the correct one is option D, that is reduce both cost and lead time while increasing quality. So under this manufacturing system, organization must reduce the wastage with the reducing the cost of manufacturing, one thing, and second, the time, the time which is required to finish the goods, to complete the manufacturing process, that also must be reduced while increasing quality. So all these factors, beside all these factors, they also more focus on the quality. Hence Japanese products was very much famous. Still these are very much famous in the market on the basis of the quality. So one of the first ways that lean manufacturing can help to eliminate waste is by placing waste into different categories. That is very much important in this context. Each type of waste is traditional broken down into either defects, excess processing, overproduction, waiting, inventory, moving, motion, and non-utilized talent. So with this way they can divide all the wastage. Next, with this cost will be minimized, and definitely with all the dividing these wastage into various headings, definitely the cost will be minimized and quality will be enhanced. So that is the basic purpose of this lean manufacturing process, which is adopted by the TPS and other enterprises in the market. Let's move to another question. Which of the following can be known as examples of lean manufacturing in practices? So that is very important question. Options are value stream and process mapping. Option B, tightly controlled automation and production flow. Option C, inventory reduction and Kanban. Option D, all of the above. So among all these options, the correct one, the option D. That means all the options are correct one in this question. So let's understand one by one. The option says value stream mapping. So in this particular objective, in this particular example of the this lean manufacturing, it involves the process mapping, which involve evaluation and charting broad and specific processes to better understand precise areas of waste. So this is all about the mapping, which can help in the reduction of wastage. Well, next options said well implemented assembly lines are essential to lean production. So this is very much required by the organization while the leading the production. Next option says, which talk about under this lean production practices, inventory levels are strictly regulated, often using a system called Kanban. What about this Kanban? Basically it is a scheduling system for lean manufacturing and just in time manufacturing. So this is all about the schedule related to the time which required to produce a good, so that the unit cost can be evaluated. So this is all about the MCQs on lean system. Thank you and keep learning.